patch, patch. To mend, cover, or fill up a hole or weak spot in. James patched the pipe of kitchen. James patched the pipe of kitchen. Pound, pound. To hit or beat repeatedly with a lot of force. Somebody is pounding at the door. Somebody is pounding at the door. Descend, descend. To go or come down. I have descended with the stairs. I have descended with the stairs. Shove, shove. To push someone or something forcefully. Noah is the one who shoved him. Noah is the one who shoved him. Embrace, embrace. To hold someone tightly with both arms to express love. He embraced his mother tightly. He embraced his mother tightly. Tumble, tumble. To fall quickly and without control. Yesterday, Alfie tumbled down the stairs. Yesterday, Alfie tumbled down the stairs. Creep, creep. To move somewhere very slowly and quietly. Lily crept into Jack's room. Lily crept into Jack's room. Tilt, tilt. To cause to lean. She tilted her head. She tilted her head. Stomp, stomp. To step down hard on someone or something. She is stomping her toy in anger. She is stomping her toy in anger. Trip, trip. To cause to stumble. He has tripped over the toy a few moments ago. He has tripped over the toy a few moments ago. Squat, squat. To sit with one's knees bent. Please squat down so you can see her. Please squat down so you can see her. Mumble, mumble. To speak unclearly and quietly. Stop mumbling, Daisy can't hear you. Stop mumbling, Daisy can't hear you. Trample. Trample. To step heavily on something or someone, causing damage or injury. Please don't trample the cockroach. Please don't trample the cockroach. Grab. Grab. To take or take hold of something or someone suddenly. She grabbed her child's hand. She grabbed her child's hand. Tremble. Tremble. To shake involuntarily with quick, short movements. Liam trembled with fear yesterday. Liam trembled with fear yesterday. Tug. Tug. To pull something hard or suddenly. They tugged the rope hard. They tugged the rope hard. Stumble. Stumble. To hit your foot against something while you are walking or running. Liam stumbled in the dark but did not fall. Liam stumbled in the dark but did not fall. Ascend. Ascend. To move up or climb something. I have ascended with the stairs. I have ascended with the stairs. Clench. Clench. To hold something tightly. She is clenching her fists in anger. She is clenching her fists in anger. Flutter. Flutter. To move lightly and quickly. The curtain is fluttering in the wind. The curtain is fluttering in the wind. Prick. Prick. To make a very small hole in something with a sharp pointed object. William has pricked his finger with a needle. William has pricked his finger with a needle. Stab. Stab. To injure someone with a sharp pointed object such as a knife. Mr. Oliver will try to stab Henry with a knife. Mr. Oliver will try to stab Henry with a knife. Flatten. Flatten. To make flat. Lucille flattens the dough with a rolling pin. Lucille flattens the dough with a rolling pin. pierce, pierce. To go into or through something, making a hole in it using a sharp point. James pierced his sister's birthday balloon. James pierced his sister's birthday balloon. Poke, poke. To push a finger or other pointed object quickly into someone or something. She always pokes me with her finger. She always pokes me with her finger.